Hi everyone, Mike here at Games. In this quick video, I'll show you how to create a League of Comic Geeks account and to sync it with Games so we can pull the comics you want each and every week. Open your web browser and go to leagueofcomicgeeks.com. The site helps organize your collection, updates you on new comic releases, and syncs your pull list with your local comic shop. Select the option to sign up or create an account. Enter a username, your email address, and a password. Be sure to use the email you check regularly. Submit the form to create your account and verify your email if prompted. Once your account is created, log in using your username and password. You'll be taken to your League of Comic Geeks account dashboard. Open your account or profile setting and look for options related to stores, subscriptions, or comic shops. Search for Games and select it from the results. Confirm the connection if prompted. Once synced, be sure to stop by or reach out to Games staff and make sure your account is activated. Once activated, any comics you add to your pull list will be shared with Games. Make sure all changes are saved. And that's it, you're all set. If you need help, be sure to stop by and ask for assistance.